This problem is an important problem. This will be asked in many times uh, in maybe exam question papers. So this is also in your book. This question is there. So you closely follow what I am telling you. Huh? This exercise linear equations on exercise 3.3 on the second question number 2. 2. So you can see this question. So you please closely watch. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So there are two persons, Noori and Sonu, thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old Noori and Sonu? This is the question. Okay. So yes, now you should take a lot of assumptions in this. First, read the question properly. Try to understand. Okay. So what I am writing is, see, first of all, this question is with respect to the present age. They are talking 5 years before, 10 years after, like that. So you should always assume that present age of Noori is X. So present age of Sonu is Y. This is the present age. From this only you have to try to solve the problem. So 5 years ago means, so present age minus 5. Okay. So thrice means 3 times. So Sonu's age also becomes Y minus 5 years. 5 years ago means 5 years before. So Sonu's age is also 5 years less. So how Noori's age is 5 years less, like that Sonu's age is also 5 years less. And thrice of this. So 3 into Y minus 5. This is the first equation. You got the point. So next is 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So 10 years later means, so the percentage plus 10. Okay, you got this point. So twice the age of Sonu, that is percentage plus 10 into twice. So this is the equation. This is very important. So this is if you form this, from this you can solve it out. Okay. So what happens is x minus 5 equal to 3 into y, 3y, 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Okay. You take minus 5 this side, this becomes minus 10. So 3y goes that side. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. This is equation number 3. So you got this point. This x minus 3y equal to minus 10. So this is one of the equation. Okay. Third equation. So likewise, you have to do here also. X plus 10 equal to 2 into y plus 2 into 10, 20. So x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. This becomes, yeah. See what happens? See this 2y goes there, x minus 2y. Okay. This 10 comes here. So 20 minus 10. So x minus 2y equal to 10. So this equation becomes this now. So 2y goes there, 10 comes here. Okay. So 20 minus 10. So this is the equation 4. So now you have got 3 and 4. These are the new equations. So I am writing it again here. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. X minus 2y equal to 10. Now I told you, there are two types of solving the problem. One is substitution, one is elimination. Now we are going to eliminate. So if I want to eliminate x, I am just subtracting from this equation, see 3 minus 4. So from equation 3 I am subtracting equation 4. So x minus x. So I am subtracting. Here already minus 2y is there. This minus 2y is there. So if I subtract, minus into minus becomes plus. Okay. Actually, this is 10. X minus 2y. So if I subtract, this becomes minus. Okay. What happens is x and x gets cancelled out. So this becomes plus 2y. So minus 2y plus 2y equal to minus y. So this, since I am subtracting, this becomes minus 10. Minus 10 equal to minus 20. So minus y equal to minus 20. Y equal to 20. 20 is the Sonus age. Okay, this is y equal to 20. Or if you want, I will do it in different way. This 3 minus 4, no? You write this is 3. X minus 3y equal to minus 10. Minus of equation 4. See, you write the equation 4. See, x minus 2y equal to 10. You write. So put the minus sign here. Okay. So what happens is x minus 3y equal to minus 10. So minus of x is minus x. Minus of minus 2y equal to plus 2y. Minus of 10 equal to minus 10. So you can, for your understanding, I am writing this. You can do it like this also if you are used to it. Or if you want an understanding, I am writing it here. So x and x gets cancelled out. Minus 2y plus 2y becomes minus y. Minus 10 minus 10 becomes minus 20. So see here also minus y equal to minus 20. Minus y into minus 10. So you can cancel out the minus sign. So this becomes y is equal to 20. So Sonus age is 20. So now I am going to substitute in this equation 3. Here 3. Okay. This is x 3. That is 3 into, yeah, minus 3 into 20. Because y is 20, no? So x into 3. So x into minus 3 into 20 becomes, this becomes minus 60. Okay, x minus 60 equal to minus 10. So what happens? Minus 60 goes there, that becomes plus 60. So x is equal to minus 10 plus 60. Okay, so x is equal to 50. So this is the age of Nuri. So you got the first y equal to 20, that is, we have assumed Sonus age. Now we got the age of Nuri. So you can always cross check with the, initially what they have given, this 5 years ago. 5 years ago means percentage of Nuri is 50. So 5 years ago he is at the age of 45. Okay. So percentage of Sonu is 20. So 20 minus 5, 15. So 15 into 3 is 45. So this equation is coming here. So 50 minus 45, 5 is 45. So 3 times of this, 45. Okay. Same way 10 years after. So what is the age of now? Nuri is 50. So he will become 60 then after 10 years. So Sonu's age is now 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So 60 becomes 60 now. Okay. 50 plus. This is how you should do. That is 50 plus 10, 60. Okay. Is equal to 2 into 20 plus 10. So I am writing the percentage. So this is also 60. So you are cross checking this whether you have done it right or wrong. So in both the cases, this is becoming right. 1 is also right, 2 is also right. Okay. So this is how you have to solve this problem. This problem is very, very popular problems in 10th CBSE Maths. So this kind of problems will come. In even quadratic equation also this kind of problems will come. So this I thought I wanted to solve this problem. So this is the way you should assumption should be like this. Take the percentage and from that percentage you solve the problem. I think you got this. Oh, thank you. Okay. Again, one thing I want to say, subscribe my YouTube channel. See, every time I'm saying that subscribe my YouTube channel. I think people are not doing it. I'm just a bit of unhappy because I am doing my duty to teach, and it is my passion to teach. When I'm doing something, no, I'm just expect. It's not an expectation. It's just a pressing of a button, and even you are not doing that, no, I'm just a bit of unhappy with the attitude of the people, the students. I don't know why this attitude is coming. Okay, but I'll do my best. Okay, then I'll take some rest. After some 10 days, I will continue like that. Okay, it is up to you. But one thing is, I will complete. See, chapter wise, I will go. Then afterwards, I will solve the problems of 5 years question paper. Everything will I do. See, I need this is a feedback and reciprocation only. And if you are reluctant or if you are not interested, then why should I say every time is substep? I will need not say, then I will stop it and go. That's all. See, this is from this. See, I am now 67 age. Why I am taking interest means I am interested in maths. So I thought the students also should get benefits from the maths. That is why I am doing this. Okay, it is up to you. So I leave it to you. Thank you.